Just a little more education on swarm trapping. Right here's a creek. Of course, a little sketchy to get to, but what do you expect out of Keith and summertime bees? There's the man. Uh-oh, box is right back over here.
Facing the creek.
Facing the creek.
That top corner.
Ah, I'm looking down at the bottom. There's our favorite poison oak. Right there's the bees. Got a little bit of a way in and out. And that's the way they're coming in.
They're bringing pollen in.
Yep, and they're coming in right through this little opening right here. Because they're coming around my head and right in. Alright, you gonna close them up and get them out of here?
Let's see what happens.
Look at all that poison oak. Got to be something to that poison oak and where bees like the light. They're bringing in some nice color pollen too. Try not to fall because I don't know the number to 911. Heavy?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, ow, shit, I just got stung following you. And stung again, damn. Thanks a lot, Keith. Hell, I'm following you and I'm the one getting stung.
Are you?
Yeah. Your bottom's coming off too.
Are you gonna make it to the truck?
I don't know, but they're fucking... Here, let me get to the truck and get the tailgate open.
You might have to unlock it.
Yeah, your bottom's coming off over here right under your right hand. Now it's closed. Yeah, helpful. I got stung like 5 times.
Oh, I'm not there.
Well, that's how you do it. You get ease of access is a point that I like to make. Keith sometimes
Make things hard.
makes things hard, does things the hard way. Yeah, they're all right there, Lynn. There on the top.
Give me a punchy cord. Let me strap them down.